There are two metabolic processes, main metabolic processes, cellular respiration and photosynthesis. The difference between the two is that for cellular respiration, all organisms can perform it. And photosynthesis, only autotrophic organisms can do it. And another difference is that cellular respiration is a catabolic pathway, which means it breaks down glucose and 6 oxygen molecules down to 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 molecules of water, while photosynthesis does the opposite. It's an anabolic pathway, which is the synthesis of 6 carbon dioxide molecules and 6 water molecules to form glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen. And another difference is that in terms of plain English, of what the catabolic pathway of cellular respiration and the anabolic pathway of photosynthesis is, in plain English, cellular respiration breaks down food to release energy, and photosynthesis requires energy to make food. Cellular respiration, when it comes to a cell, cellular respiration occurs in the mitochondria, while photosynthesis, because only autotrophic organisms can perform it, photosynthesis occurs in the chloroplast. And for cellular respiration, the main stages are glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, electron transport, and oxidative phosphorylation. And for photosynthesis, the stages are the light-dependent reactions and the light-independent reactions. And two other terms for the light-independent reactions are the dark reactions, which is generally a misleading term because it doesn't occur in the dark. It just means it doesn't require light, unlike the light-dependent reactions do. And the second term for it is the Calvin cycle. And some similarities between cellular respiration and photosynthesis is they both are metabolic pathways. Like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, these are like two of the most important metabolic pathways that occur in our bodies. Well, not cellular or photosynthesis does not occur in our bodies, but for organisms. And another similarity between these two is that cellular respiration and photosynthesis both make use of ATP. So ATP is the currency of biological energy, and it's what organisms use. So these two pathways organisms use, we make use of the energy in terms of ATP. So cellular respiration is like releases energy, we make ATP, and photosynthesis, autotrophs, they require ATP in order to make their own food. Cellular respiration and photosynthesis, they both are carried out on membranes by enzymes. And finally, they both, in terms of their chemical equations, they both convert energy from one form to another.